Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. Before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So what we have is that 54 employees of a company called MGF are spread across 4 different offices with each employee working in exactly one office. Now the table given below shows the office-wise distribution of the employees, their average age, their average salary, and the average login hours. Now, some additional information is there that the average age of the employees working in office B and D is 29. Okay, so if you see that the average age is 29, right? The average age is 29. Okay, whereas of both the offices, right? Whereas the average age of B is 42 and the average age of D is 28, right? That means by allegation, if you see, the ratio of the number of employees in B and D would be 1:13, right? So either it can be between B and D, it can be 1 employee and 26 employees, sorry, 13 employees, 2 employees and 26 employees, 3 and 39 employees, right? So these are the possibilities that we have. Okay. Now 3 and 39 is also not possible. Okay, 3 and 39 is also not possible. So these are the only 2 possibilities. Now, one more thing has been given that at least 2 employees work in each office of the company. So at least there are 2 employees working. So that means the only possibility is this one, right? So that means having 2 employees in B and having 26 employees in D. Okay. Now, in this case, the total employees that we have till now is 41 and total are 54. So the remaining 13 work in C. So the remaining employees, they work in C. Okay. Now let's see what do we have. Okay, so now it also says the average salary of the 54 employees is rupees 39,200. Okay, so that means the total that we have for all the employees is the total salaries. There are 54 employees and the average salary for them is 39,200. So the total salary is 21 crores 21 lakhs 16,800, right? Among this, there are 4 offices. So for office A, the average salary is 40,000 into 13. So the average salary over here is for A is 5,20,000, right? 5,20,000. Similarly, for B, you do not know anything, but for C, it is 13 into 36,000. So the average total salary over here is 4,68,000 in B. In C, and for D, it is 26 into 42,000, right? 26 into 42,000. So the total over here is 10,92,000. Now the total salary of these three offices is, this will be 0, 0 and 0. This is 8 to 10. So we have a carry forward 1. We have a 9, 1, 10, 9, 1, 10, 6 to 18. So we have a 8 and a carry over 1. Then we have a 10 over here. So this will be 2,800. Okay, 20,80,000. And the total that we have is for all the 4 offices was 21,16,800. Out of that, the 3 offices we know it. So what we know is it is 20,80,000. So that means the remaining salary of 36,800 will be in office B. And because there are 2 employees, so it will be divided by 2 to get the average salary of 18,400. So this is what we have. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the questions now. So out of the total employees working in office A, X are transferred to office B. Okay, X of them are transferred to office B and the remaining are transferred to office D. Okay, the average age of the employees working in office B and office D increases by 3 and 10 respectively. Now, what is the average age of the employees working in office A? Okay, so now there are 13 employees working in A. Now, everybody has a different age, right? Everybody has a different age and few of them are going into one and others are going into the other office D. And the average for those offices are getting increased, right? And now you have to find the average age of office A. Now, guys, that is not possible to find out. The data is always insufficient because for every employee in office A, the salary is, the age is different, right? The age is different. So we do not know that what aged people went to office A and what aged people went to office D. Since the number is also not known and the average age of the employees who went to different offices is not known, nothing can be concluded about it. So the correct answer will be option number D. Now the second question is that what is the average salary of the employees working in office B? So we have already calculated that to be 18,400. So option number C is the right answer. And how many employees work in office C? So for office C, what do we have is that 13 employees are working. So the option number A is the right answer. So this was a pretty easy set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.